Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this Instagram notes feature missing. So when you open your Instagram, you will see that notes right there. But if not, something missing on your note feature, just go to Google Play Store and just update your application. So go right here and search for Instagram and then go and tap on that and you will find that if you see that update button, just update that application. So once you've done, tap on open. Now the second way is just go to your profile page right here and then go to the three lines at the top right corner and then tap on settings and then go to creator, and you have to switch to business account and try if that is still missing. And then the third one that you're going to do right here is that go to help. And then in help, tap on report a problem, then report problem without shaking, then tap don't include and continue. So right here, just put the reason and that you want to fix this issue on your Instagram. Just wait on the Instagram team to answer your question right here or to fix your Instagram notes feature missing. So that's it. That's how you basically solve this problem. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.